Tiro serves as an Astartes of the Blood Angels of the Sword of Baal. As the singular fire support expert of his squad, Tiro would unleash devastation with his heavy bolter against all manner of foes throughout his service to the chapter. Tiro provides waves of destruction, capable of sundering entire buildings and lines of enemy aggressors. Rowdy and hungering for battle, Tiro would nonetheless be instrumental in preserving and protecting his brothers. Always spoiling for a fight, Tiro's battle-hardened personality would be a boon to the morale of his battle brothers. Often critical of his battle brothers' shortcomings, Tiro would nonetheless use gallows humor to alleviate the stress endured by his brethren. Able to fight alongside any specialist within his squad, Tiro would annihilate the enemies of the Blood Angels with righteous slaughter. Surviving the incursion of the Tyranids of the world of Naiades, Tiro would honor the memory of his battle brothers, ever vigilant and ready to fight any enemies that would dare face the Blood Angels.